guys, so just a quick video to talk through how you can get the percentage of your score into the email trigger rather than just the actual mean score. So with Pipetext, percentage isn't one of the options available, especially around the scoring area. So what we need to do is we just need to actually calculate this ourselves. So if we click into the survey flow, and we add an embedded data field after all of the questions that are actually used in our scoring category. So whether that is after, like whether the last question is actually contained within this block, then we'd move it just below that block, or we can move it to the end if we'd prefer. Just make sure that everyone actually reaches this. And then we can call this percent, for example. What we need to do then is just a math operation which takes the mean score and then divides it by the total score possible. So we would go to here, we would click on the blue box, go to insert Pipetext, scoring, score, and score. So that is just going to be your actual mean score for this survey. So then we turn this into a math operation by saying $E, curly bracket, and then everything within it must contain with space. And then we need to divide our score by the total, which just as an example could be out of a total of 100 points. So we're dividing our mean score by 100%. Or by the total, and then multiplying that by 100 to get the percentage. So that would be our first one, and then we would be, I know that's actually a really bad example because 100, but just say for example it's going to be 80, for example. Then we would put parentheses around this so we know that we need that to be calculated first, and then we're multiplying by 100 to get the percent. And you can put the percent symbol after this if you would like as well. So this is going to calculate our percentage score. And we would then click Save Flow. And then we're going to pipe percent into our email trigger so that the percentage is actually displayed to our participants. So we would go to Tools, Triggers, Email Triggers. And then in our email trigger, we would actually pipe in embedded data field and then percent, which is case sensitive, and then insert. And this will pipe in the percent that each person has got out of a total score. So I hope that makes sense and I hope that's clear, but if you do have any other questions, please just let me know.